You ever hit that time of year when it's not too hot, not too cold, and your phone go quiet? That's what we call the shoulder season in HVAC. One week you're slammed with no cool calls or no heating calls, and the next week you're looking around wondering where everybody went. I've been there, and that's exactly why I use Jobber to keep Washington AC and Heating organized, consistent, and still bringing work in even when the weather slows down. When I first started, I was doing things the hard way. Paper invoicing, text, spreadsheets, trying to remember who needed what and when. It was complete chaos. And then I switched to Jobber, and it changed everything. Now I can schedule jobs, send quotes, track payments, and even get paid on site, all from my phone. Everything looks professional, and the customer love that they can approve and pay in one tap. It's like having a full-time office assistant that never takes a day off. One of my favorite Jobber tools, especially this time of year, is Jobber campaigns. Think of it like a MailChimp, but built right into Jobber CRM software. You can send marketing emails, texts directly to your customer list without leaving the app. Here are some campaign ideas that help fill the schedule during slow months. A maintenance sign up push. In the subject, you can put keep your system running smooth, book your tune-ups today. I like to promote Washington Comfort 365 seasonal checkups. I can add a request form like a book now button that link directly into my Jobber page. Indoor air quality upgrades. In the subject, you can put breathe easier this season. You can showcase products like the air scrubber, UV lights, media filters, Remy halos, and you can include before and after photos right from the Jobber app. You do surge protector campaigns, and the subject line, protect your AC from power surges. You explain how a $400 surge protector can save a $3,000 compressor change out. You can also just offer a limited time installation discount. Do new equipment or financing offers, and the subject, out with the old, in with the new, just for more energy efficient systems. Highlight the SEER2 systems, rebates, or offer this special financing on new equipment. Use Jobber quotes to follow up and send emails or text automatically. And the best part, Jobber tracks open rates and clicks so you can see what's actually working. By the way, if you want to test this out, Jobber is offering a 2-week free trial and a special discount in the link in the description. It's free, uh, no risk, and you can import your customer list. Send your first campaign and see how much smoother your week goes. When the weather's mild, I use Jobber to keep our name in front of potential or existing customers. We'll send out fall efficiency tune-ups, pre-summer maintenance special, or avoid the rush. Book your HVAC checkup now. Customers can click and schedule right from the campaign link. It turns quiet months into opportunities, and it keeps my techs busy when most companies are slowing down. If you really want to take full advantage of Jobber's offers, look into the jobber growth plan. That's where the magic happens. Like I was explaining earlier, you got the campaign sender for built-in marketing, AI tools that help quote faster and dispatch smarter as far as like route density. I even got a website builder so customers can book you online. Automation and reminders that save you time. The AI also do your KPIs. Definitely want to keep track of that. The growth plan basically turns Jobber into a marketing, operations, and customer experience machine all in one place. Because that's what a good CRM software is, customer relationship management. Other features I rely on every day, job forms, as far as like static pressure, refrigerant reading, temperatures, nameplate, data, model serial number, just a bunch of photo logs, GPS tracking, and timesheets for accurate payroll, on-site payments to close jobs instantly, automatic reminders to reduce no-shows or and follow-ups. It saves time, keeps the team organized, and let me focus on customers, not paperwork. So if the shoulder season is slowing you down, stop stressing and get systems that work year round. Try Jobber free for 2 weeks using my link in the description, and you'll also get a special discount if you decide to keep it. If you want access to everything, campaigns, Google reviews, dispatching, AI, and the website building, make sure you ask Jobber about their growth plan. I'm WW HVAC or Washington AC and Heating. Stay organized, stay professional, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, HVAC people. So before I wrap it up, I want to leave you with a book that completely changed the way I run my business. It's the E-Myth Revisited by Michael Gerber. It's the HVAC one. This book breaks down why so many small businesses fail. Not because the owners aren't skilled, but because they spend all their time working in the business instead of on it. Gerber teaches how to build systems so your business runs smoothly, even when you're not there. That's exactly why I use Jobber CRM software. It's the perfect complement for the E-Myth mindset. It helps you systemize your operations, automate scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customers follow-ups so your company can grow beyond just you. If you haven't read the E-Myth Revisited, you can grab a copy. I'm sure it's on Amazon. Also, I got the audio book recorded somewhere in my video file. You look up probably just the E-Myth Revisited, you can't find an audio version. So, hey, good luck out there. Get you a good CRM software though, and get some systems in place. All right, HVAC people.